In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily set different notification sound per app on an Android. Today, I'm gonna use Samsung Galaxy S23. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to head over to Settings. The easiest way to do so is just swipe down on the home screen and then tap right here at that gear. On Settings, we need to scroll down to Notifications, and that's where we can easily find App Notifications. We need to get into App Notifications to continue, and then first off, we need to search for an app. We need to edit sounds for let's say I wanna set different notification sounds for Facebook app. First of all, make sure notifications for the app are turned on, and then we can get into the app settings, and then we need to scroll down a bit and tap at notification categories. That's where we can easily find a huge variety of different notifications like reminders, tags, new comments, birthdays, groups, videos, and a bunch of different other notifications. And that's where we can easily set different notification sound for each of these notifications. Let's say I would like to change it for birthdays. Why not? We can get into birthdays, and that's where we can easily find sound. So I can tap at sound, and then I can select any sound from that list to set it as a sound for that types of notifications for that particular app. In this way, we can select it, and in the same way, we can configure different sounds for each type of notifications, and the same about other applications. Let's say we can change it in the same way for Instagram. We just need to get into notification categories, and then we can change it for Instagram direct messages in the exact same way. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.